Hey guys, it's me Ivy. So today I'm going to do my Birchbox. I got it yesterday, so let's get started. So this is what the box looks like, very springy kind of thing. And then this is what this is. It's kind of cool though. And then this is what I got. So, anyways, I'm going to do my sample that I picked. I finally got my sample. But this is a classic primer for your face. SPF 30. So yeah. And that's the brand. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. Then, oh my god. I thought this was like gum because in the box. But it says, whatever the brand is, has gun. Not a perfume. So, I smelled this yesterday because I couldn't resist. Oh god, this box smells good. But it's just spray one, because I love the spray ones. A nice size, too. Really smells really good, and I really want to, like, get the big size. Anyways, this is, for full size, is $42. For this perfume, ooh, maybe I'll save money on this. It's $100 to, let's see, $135. Probably depends on the size you want. And then, sorry. And then this smoothing balm that I'm not going to use because I don't need it. It's Silent Cream. It's just this brand. I'm not really sure about this brand. So it retails for $30. And then this smells really, really good, but I don't need volume in my hair. But when I have my hair straight or so, I might want some volume. But this is $26. And it smells really, really good. This was kind of leaking. Like the other brand was the hair oil, I think it was. It was leaking. But this smells so good. It smells like a perfume for your hair. But it's really fresh and clean. So it's a little bit overpowering, but not too much. Okay. And then I got my Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Gel Eyeliner. Felt tip or whatever. But this is 18. So I definitely gotta get bigger sizes because I like Smashbox. And, oh, I did wash away. I tried this on my hand. It didn't smudge. But that's good. But it did, like, come off. So that's okay. But at least it's smudge proof. Then, my bonus. Usually I get all beauty stuff, as you tell on my other Birchboxes. But beginning of Birchbox and stuff, I usually get other stuff. Well, today, or yesterday, whichever, this month, I got, I seen this brand, but this is really healthy stuff for you. And mine is Raw Beauty, Green Superfood Powder. So it has coconut, pineapple, tropical. That's like the flavor it has. But directions is to mix it to 8 ounces of water. That's your choice. Milk. And they also say we love it with almond milk. Your favorite smoothie or non-citrus juice. So you can have it with water, milk, with almond milk, of course, they suggested, or you can make it into your favorite smoothie or into a juice that's not citrus. That's cool. I'm just going to try this in the morning if I get up enough to have it. I'm going to try this. I'm going to have it probably with milk or water, whichever. But yeah, that's cool. I'll let you know how it tastes when I do that. And that is 39 bucks. That's not bad though. And also, this one it amps up your energy and while boosting skin. And made from 39 all-natural superfoods. That's cool. I like something that's healthy, that, just start getting healthy kind of thing. So that's what's my Birchbox. Only thing I'm not going to use is this, because I don't need a volumizing cream. So I can, keep that for my sister or what. But I am going to try this out when I have my hair straight or whatever. This smells good. So yeah, that's where I got my Birchbox. I hope you guys like it. And yeah. Sorry yesterday's video was really awkward and very weird. I was not myself in that video, so sorry. But I hope you guys liked that video too. So yeah, I'll tell you guys in my next video. Bye guys.